Hi everyone, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today I'm showing off the Taotronics wireless soundbar. It comes with an optical cable. It comes with the remote control and all the mounting hardware needed. If you don't want to mount it, it has 2 feet on the bottom. They're nice and rubberized that won't damage your table. That'll sit right on the table where the TV is. Or you can mount this unit, and we'll show you in just a second. There are the 2 mounting brackets, one on one side for one screw and one on the other for the other screw. Back here is where you have the power cord, and it's also where the connections are. So you have the optical port, and then you have the auxiliary in port right there with the 3.5 millimeter cable. The 3.5 millimeter cable does not come with this package. However, you do get the optical cable, and those are kind of expensive if you buy them separately. So we like how high-end the audio sounds out of this. We have other cables that we've hooked up with this here, so we just wanted to show you what came in the package. But it comes with a simple remote control, and like I said, all the mounting hardware that you need. Taotronics sent this to me for free to try out. I've tested many of their products over the years before, and I do like the build quality and sound that comes from this wireless soundbar. You can also control the unit from push buttons right here on the top of the wireless soundbar. And I don't know if you can see inside the grill, but you can see a little bit the speakers that are built in. So we'll just pan left and right, and then you'll be able to see the reflection of the speakers inside. But if you want to step up your game with your wired audio from your nice television that you have, you definitely want to upgrade to something like this with your nice new flat screen 4K high definition television. So this is from Taotronics, and it's the wireless soundbar. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.